Hi guys, thank you for joining us again for a video blog. Today we're here to talk about a deportation order, or also known as a removal order. It's not all uncommon where a client comes to me and says, hey, I had an interview before an immigration officer, my wife and I appeared based on a marriage case, my case was about to be approved, and then the immigration officer says, whoops, it looks like you were ordered deported 10 years ago. What do you do if that happens? Well, first of all, if there's a deportation order against you, you can't get your green card at an interview in front of immigration. You have to try to get rid of that deportation order. Basically, you have to reopen the in absentia removal order. When I talk about an in absentia removal order, I'm talking about a deportation order that was issued against you by the court without you being there. There could be many reasons why you didn't show up. Maybe you didn't get proper notice, and I say proper notice because even though you may have received notice, you needed to have received it in a proper fashion. Or you were unaware of the date, you were supposed to get a new date, you provided them an address change and they never sent it to the proper address. There's a multitude of reasons why you may not have shown up at that interview. If you're able to convince a judge that you did not receive proper notice, that there was a good justifiable excuse why you were unable to appear in court, the court may reopen that case and then allow you to proceed with your green card application. Another way you could try to do that is to convince the Department of Homeland Security to reopen the case jointly, basically on a joint motion. So whether it's a joint motion or you file it on your own, don't presume because you were ordered deported all is lost. And the one mistake many clients make, and I repeat, do not make this mistake, is when they find out bad news, they run and hide and hope that the problem goes away. It's not going to go away. And I can tell you right now, the longer you wait to remedy this problem, the more difficult it will be to reopen the case. The court is going to expect you to exercise some due diligence in trying to take some action to get rid of that removal order, to file that motion to reopen. So if 6 years passes and you haven't done anything but you were aware of it, or at least should have been aware of it, it's going to get tougher and tougher the more time passes. Remember, you can't just hide. This problem is not going to go away. The fact is, if there is a removal order against you, a deportation order, you have to remedy that situation as soon as possible. The longer you wait, the more you'll jeopardize your rights, the more likely it will be that the court will deny any of those types of applications. In any event, if you do have this problem, give us a call. We at the Gersser Law Firm will provide you with the most effective representation possible. And as I've always said in previous posts, the consultation is always free. We wish you the best of luck, and hopefully we'll speak to you guys soon.